bloodshed. With every mile the shadows flee, but in your gaze I feel at ease. Far from home yet somehow known, in your warmth I am not alone. A land away we're meant to be, in distant lands love finds me. On a train of destiny, riding through eternity, love awaits. In lands unknown, where hearts collide like rolling stones. On a journey of destiny, hand in hand we'll cross the tide. Love found where the world's set free, on this train of destiny. Storms and sun, through night and dawn, this track we ride, our hearts drawn on. Every stop, each turn we take, together now, no break, no wake. On a train of destiny, riding through eternity, love awaits. In lands unknown, where hearts collide like rolling stones. On a journey far and wide, hand in hand we'll cross the tide. Love found where the world's set free, on this train of destiny. So let the wheels keep spinning, and let this tale be told. Two hearts bound by the journey, as the train keeps running bold. In distant lands we'll find our fate, on this line that never waits. Love on the train of destiny. So let the wheels keep spinning, and let this tale be told. Two hearts bound by the journey, as the train keeps running bold. In distant lands we'll find our fate, on this line that never waits. Love on the train of destiny.